Hi friends, let me show you this new YaGee Ergonomic Wrist Rest. It is an magnetic wrist rest. Let me show you. You get 4 parts. Okay. So these are the base parts, and these are the parts where your hand will actually rest. Okay, you will put it together like this, so it will move in the base, so you can arrange it to your hands feel. Okay, and you can move it around a little bit. So as they are 2 parts, you can put it where you really need it with your hands. Let me show you. Okay. If you work a lot with the letters keyboard, you will use it like this. You can move it around, and as it is magnetic, it goes back. It has like a cushioning effect. Okay. If you play a lot, if you work a lot with any kind of software, these wrist rests are going to help you. And you can move them around so your hands, your wrists are more comfortable, okay? So if you are looking for a new set of wrist rests, these are great as they have a cushioning effect, and you can put them independently depending on your, how you feel more comfortable, okay? So these YaGee ergonomical wrist rests are a great option. Thank you.
If you buy this product, this video could generate us a commission. Thank you.